today we will study exercise 8.3 of chapter number 8 comparing quantities of standard 7. So let's see question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the given transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent. So in this exercise we have to find profit or loss and also find the profit percent or loss percentage of this given transaction. So first we will understand what is cost price and what is selling price. So what is meant by cost price? The price at which the article purchased, means the price at which we something purchased. You purchased a toy car at rupees 250, means the 250 is the cost price of the toy car. Now what is the selling price? The price at which the article sold, means the price at which we something sold, means you bought a toy car and you sold your friend for 250 rupees. So 250 rupees again is the selling price which you sold something to your friend, to your neighbor. So the price is the selling price. Okay, so let's see profit. What is meant by profit? When the selling price is greater than cost price, we gain profit. Means the selling price is what? The price you sold is greater than the price you purchased is profit. Yeah, means when selling price is greater than cost price, you gain a profit. Or loss means when the cost price is greater than selling price. The cost price means when you purchase something is lesser than you sold, so then we undergo loss. Okay, now we will solve this example. Okay, so I will rub this. Let us solve. In this, what is the cost price? The gardening shares bought for rupees 250. Bought for rupees 250 means 250 is the cost price. So cost price means CP. 250 is CP. And sold for rupees 325. Sold means selling price, from which you sold something is the selling price. So SP what? 325. We have to find profit. Okay, when the CP is greater than SP, then loss. But the CP is less than SP, then we gain profit. Here what is the CP is less than SP, which means the price at we purchase something is lesser than the price which we sold something. Example, you bought a toy car from rupees 250 and you sold your toy car to your friend for rupees 300. So what you make? You make profit of 50 rupees. So here we also find that. Okay, so profit. What is the formula of profit? SP minus CP. SP minus CP. What is SP? 325. What is CP? 250. Okay, so what is the answer? Rupees 75. So you make profit of rupees 75 because when SP is greater than CP, we make profit, or when CP is greater than SP, we undergo loss. Okay, so we find profit of rupees 75. Okay, so next we will find profit percentage. What is the percentage of profit we make? So profit percentage. What is the formula of profit percentage? So first profit we make divide by CP, means selling price, into 100. So what is the profit? Profit rupees 75. What is CP? 250 multiply by 100. So 0 cancel. Okay, 750. 75 into 10, 750 divided by 25. 3s are 75. This 0 will came up, so 30. So answer is 30%. So we will make profit of 30%, or we make profit of rupees 75 rupees profit, and profit percentage is what? 30% we will make. Okay, understand? So let's see the second question. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. Means we bought a refrigerator of rupees 12,000 and we sold to another person for rupees 13,500. So here 12,000 is what? 12,000 is CP, selling price, which we bought and sold at rupees 13,500, means the SP, selling price is 13,500 and cost price which mean purchasing price is cost price and selling price is this 13,500 sold price. Okay, so we write in CP. What is CP? CP is this, from we bought for rupees 12,000 means CP, purchasing price 12,000, and SP. What is SP? Selling price, sold at rupees 13,500. Sold means selling price, and means 13,500. Let's see. In this transaction, the selling price is greater than cost price. See, 13,500 is greater than 12,000, means when the selling price is greater than cost price, we gain profit. So let's find which profit we gain. Profit. What is the formula of profit? Selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? 13,500. What is cost price? 12,000. Okay, let's subtract here. 13,500 minus 12,000. 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 1,500 rupees. 1,500. So we make a profit of rupees 1,500. Okay, then we have to find profit percentage. What is the percentage of profit we make? Profit rupees 1,500. Profit percentage. Let's find the profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage. What is the formula of profit percentage? Profit what we make divide by cost price into 100. Remember this formula. Okay, what is the profit? 1,500 rupees profit. Cost price. What is cost price? 12,000. Multiply by 100. So this 20 will cut, 10 here cut. Okay, 150 divided by 12. So 150 divided by 12. Okay, so here we divide 150 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 13, 14, 15, 30. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 2 ja 24. Okay, here 6 point, here we point, so here we put 0. 12 5 ja 60. Okay, 0 0. What is the answer? 12.5. So 12.5 percentage of profit we will. The profit percentage is 12.5 and the profit rupees is 1,500. Okay, so let's see the third question. Question number C. A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500. Bought means purchase. Purchase for rupees 2,500. Purchasing price means cost price. So 2,500 is the cost price and sold at rupees 3,000. Sold at rupees 3,000 means selling price. Selling price is what? 3,000. Okay, so let's write CP. CP means purchasing price. Bought for rupees 2,500. What is purchasing price? 2,500. Okay, and the selling price, sold price, sold at rupees 3,000. 3,000. What is greater? Selling price is greater. When selling price is greater than cost price, then we make profit. So profit percent. So we have to find what is profit. Okay, selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? 3,000. What is cost price? 2,500. Okay, 3,000 minus 2,500 is rupees 500. So we make a profit of rupees 500. Okay, then we have to find profit percentage. Profit percentage. What is the formula of profit percentage? Okay, profit, how many rupees of profit we make, divide by cost price into 100. Okay, what is profit? Rupees 500. profit, what is cost price? Cost price is 2500 divided by 2000. 500 multiply 100. Okay, multiply by 100. 20 cut. 25 2 50. This 0 will up. So what is the answer? 20%. So we make a profit of rupees 20% and we make a profit of rupees 500 rupees profit, and the profit percentage is 20%. Okay, let's see the fourth question. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So in previous question the cost price is lesser than selling price, but in this question the CP is greater than selling price. When the cost price is greater than selling price, we undergo loss. So in this we have to find loss and loss percentage. So what is the loss? Loss is the cost price minus selling price. Okay, this is the formula of loss. In loss CP minus SP, but in profit we write the formula that SP minus CP, but in loss CP minus SP. Okay, so what is the CP? CP cost price 250 and what is SP? 150. Okay, 150. So what is the answer? 250 minus 150, 100 rupees. Okay, the loss we undergo is 100 rupees. Okay, we undergo 100 rupees loss because the cost price is greater than a selling price, but in profit the selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so we have to find what is the percentage of loss we undergo. So loss percentage, loss percentage means loss that we have undergo divided by cost price into 100. In profit we write here profit, but in loss percentage find, so we have to write loss in here. Okay, what is loss? 100 rupees loss we undergo. CP 250 rupees CP, 250 rupees CP into 100. This is CP and this is SP. Okay, so 0 cut. 100 into 10, 1000 divided by 25. Let's see, 25 4 ja 100. So 25 4 ja 100. This 0 will came up. So 40 is so answer is 40 percentage. So we have to undergo 40% of loss and rupees 100 loss. This is percentage of loss and this is how many rupees we have to undergo loss. Okay, so thank you so much.